Ever found yourself needing to send or receive payments for your side hustle, your freelance gigs, or your small business, and thought, man, my personal Venmo just isn't cutting it? You're not alone. Millions of entrepreneurs and creators are navigating this exact situation. While Venmo is fantastic for splitting dinner bills with friends or paying back your roommate, it wasn't originally designed for business transactions. Think about it. You're selling your handcrafted jewelry online, offering virtual assistant services, or maybe even running a small catering business. Using your personal Venmo profile can look unprofessional, blur the lines between your personal and business finances, and even limit your functionality. Customers might feel less secure sending payments to a personal account, and keeping track of business-related transactions can become a bookkeeping nightmare. Plus, features specifically designed for businesses, like tax reporting and enhanced customer interaction, are simply absent from a personal profile. That's where a Venmo business profile swoops in like a financial superhero. It's a game changer for small businesses and freelancers, offering a dedicated space to manage your business transactions, build your brand presence, and operate more professionally. Imagine having a clear separation between your personal and business funds, making tax season less stressful. Picture your business name and logo proudly displayed, building trust with your customers. Envision accessing features tailored for business needs, streamlining your payment processes. So, are you ready to level up your small business's payment game? Are you eager to separate your personal pizza money from your professional profits? Do you want to unlock the power of a dedicated platform designed for your entrepreneurial endeavors? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of creating your very own Venmo business profile. It's simpler than you might think, and the benefits are substantial. We'll walk you through each stage, ensuring you have all the information you need to set up a professional and efficient payment system for your business. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to have the Venmo app downloaded and a personal Venmo account already set up. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video, head over to your app store, download Venmo, and create your personal profile. We'll wait for you. Alright, personal account ready to go? Great. Now, open your Venmo app. Look for your profile picture or the Me tab, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, you'll want to find the Settings menu. Look for a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines, typically in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on that to access the settings. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you see an option that says something like Create a Business Profile or Switch to Business Profile. Tap on this option. Venmo will likely present you with a brief overview of the benefits of having a business profile, highlighting features like accepting payments for goods and services, showcasing your brand, and organizing your business transactions. Take a moment to read through these benefits. They'll reinforce why you're making this smart move. Now comes the exciting part, setting up your business profile details. You'll be prompted to enter your business name. This is crucial, so double-check the spelling and ensure it accurately reflects your brand. This is what your customers will see when they pay you, so make it professional and recognizable. Next, you'll need to choose a business category that best describes what you do. Venmo offers a range of categories, from arts and crafts to professional services. Selecting the right category helps customers understand your business and can even improve your discoverability within the Venmo platform in the future. You'll also have the option to add a business description. This is your chance to tell potential customers a little more about your business, what you offer, your mission, or anything else you want them to know. Keep it concise and engaging. Many businesses find it beneficial to add a website and other social media links to their Venmo business profile. This allows customers to easily learn more about your offerings and connect with you on other platforms. If you have a website, Instagram, Facebook, or other relevant business pages, now's the time to link them. Arguably one of the most important steps is adding a profile picture and a cover photo for your business. Your profile picture is usually a square image that represents your brand, often your logo. Your cover photo is a larger, banner-style image that appears at the top of your profile. Choose high-quality images that are visually appealing and consistent with your brand identity. These visuals are key to making a positive first impression. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and uploaded your photos, take a moment to review everything. Ensure your business name, category, description, website, and social media links are accurate. Double-check your profile and cover photos to make sure they look professional and represent your brand well. Accuracy here is key to building trust and avoiding any confusion for your customers. After you're satisfied with all the details, you'll likely need to agree to Venmo's business terms and conditions. Make sure to read these carefully before proceeding. Understanding the terms of service is essential for a smooth and compliant experience. Finally, tap Create or Save. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the app version. Congratulations! You've officially created your Venmo business profile. Now that you have your business profile set up, let's explore some of the key features and settings you should be aware of. One of the most significant advantages of a Venmo business profile is the ability to clearly identify transactions as business-related. When you receive a payment, it will be categorized under your business profile, keeping your personal and business finances separate. This makes tracking income and expenses for your business much simpler, especially come tax time. You can also send payment requests specifically through your business profile. This allows you to clearly communicate the purpose of the payment to your customers and maintain professional records of your transactions. Venmo business profiles often come with enhanced reporting features compared to personal profiles. You'll likely have access to transaction history specifically for your business, which can be invaluable for tracking sales, identifying trends, and managing your cash flow. Familiarize yourself with these reporting tools to gain better insights into your business finances. Depending on your business type and transaction volume, you might encounter different fee structures with a business profile compared to a personal one. Venmo typically charges a small fee for receiving payments for goods and services through a business profile. It's crucial to understand these fees so you can factor them into your pricing and business planning. You can usually find detailed information about these fees in Venmo's Help Center or during the business profile setup process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.